Greetings, my dear friends, and welcome to another amazing unboxing episode. Maybe you saw some of my shorts, something like this, where I have unboxed this beautiful Mickey Mouse. And here he is, from Funko Pop. I never saw something like this in this beautiful metal box. It's very special, 25 years anniversary of Funko, I think, Disney limited edition. 25,000 pieces worldwide of this. So I don't know if there is also a chase possibility that we could get a different Mickey than this. But anyway, it looks cool and I'm very excited to open this with you guys.
Okay, so now carefully open this plastic. I can do it without scissors. Just with my fingers. Oh yeah, boy. It's a shame that I'm gonna open this. I wanted to keep it so inside because it looks cool, but I want to see that Mickey Mouse. No. It's a very strong glue. Yeah! Okay, now it happens. It ripped. Okay. Oh, yeah. Cool. This looks cool, like a safe. And here inside is gold. Wow. Okay. Woo! Whoa! Yeah, boy. Whoa, with coins. And what is this? Wow, look at this fabric. Oh, it's so soft and it looks really expensive. Okay, come. Cute little pin, look at this. Yeah, very shiny and glossy, 3D style. What's in the back? Disney, Funko, blah blah, 2023. Yeah. And then this special coin. Okay, first the card. Funko Pop card. I heard that there are also Funko trading cards. So this looks like one, yeah. Pop Classics Disney. Very shiny. Awesome. Cute. I like it. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. And so now this coin. I hope I don't break it or so. Okay. Whoa, yeah, dude. This is heavy. Huh. Cool, man. Real coin. 25,000 Funko pieces. Yeah, limited edition. It looks amazing in this. I think in the end I will put this everything back in and let it so as a display. So now this one is the most important part. Mickey Mouse 25 years limited edition. Wow. Oh yeah, look at this stand. I don't want to take him out of the box, but here you can see it's a very special and shiny, like a metallic box. Mickey Mouse looks awesome, like always. Year one. Look at those details here. Like the magic style, and here with the castles. Yeah. Awesome, man. Cool, look at him. It's like the standard Mickey, but I like him the most. I like the Steamboat Willie Mickey.
Cool, yeah, awesome.
And here he is. It's beautiful. So open like this, like a safe for display. It looks amazing. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Write in the comments below what do you think about this beautiful limited edition Mickey Mouse. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.